So you guys are going to new racer school today.
Second try.
Gonna get licensed to race. It's only $50 right now, so these guys are lucky. I paid double that. Some people have paid triple and quadruple that, so.
If you didn't come out today and do new racer school, that was pretty.
You messed up.
You messed up big. Today was
All
the
right,
day.
guys, real quick,
It's the riders meeting.
As far as the NRO, who's taking NRO today? Is anybody doing NRO? Do we have any NROs? 1, 2, 3, anybody else? Okay, you guys stay back after this.
We got Aiden and Lauren in there. They're our buddies. They are getting their race license. This is their first mock race. After this race, they will be licensed to race in the California Road Race Association. Anybody can get their license. All you got to do is go to New Racer School, complete a mock race, and then you're licensed to race.
Sign up at GoMotoRacing.com.
This is their sighting lap. After that, they're going to line up on the grid for their first race. There they go. My money's on my boy Aiden. I think he's gonna win it.
I got Lauren on my 390.
Come on.
You know what? If she were on a 1000, I bet she'd beat Aiden.
I don't know.
I don't know.
Hey, Racer 411 is here. Did you guys train any of these riders?
One of them today.
Max. His name is Max.
I got Aiden right here.
Hopefully she did.
Aiden's a look at him. Oh, he's ready. See?
Yeah, go Max! He has the fastest lap time, so he's placed 6th right now.
All right, they're gridded up.
I predict a tank nooner.
Here we go.
Yeah, get your cameras out for the nooner.
Lauren had a bad start.
Did that go quick?
It was a fast sequence. I wasn't ready.
Wearing it.
It looks like Aiden's out in front.
My mom was very jealous.
That is Aiden.
Alright.
I called it.
You called it. He was running a 158 today, wasn't he?
Yeah?
Yeah.
That ain't
What
slow.
was she riding for NRO? She was riding Aiden's R1.
R1.
They were switching back and forth. Oh. And then she took my bike out, or his bike out for a little bit, and just to get a feel for it, so that she could ride it actually here. Yeah. So.
That's exactly what Mary said.
But she's getting ready to pass somebody.
Oh, she passed him on Riverside.
Just like that.
Go fast.
She's a beast, man. She's
She-
gonna smash if she gets in here.
I want to go back to Vegas.
The greatest thing is she's all the boys' mechanic. Huh? She's all the boys' mechanic.
Yeah, she can turn wrenches. All right, who's coming up first to start finish? It looks like Aiden. Ooh, they're hot on his trail That number 2's right there.
I know. I hope he doesn't get his head.
Yeah.
He takes the off
He's
ramp.
competitive.
He is very competitive. He crashed in our last NRO race.
Yeah. This is round 2 for him.
This is round 2. Yeah.
Lauren! She started off last, but she's not ending last. All right, Aiden's got the same lead still. Wait. I think Aiden's in second now. He got passed.
Aiden, don't get overzealous. Who cares?
Uh-oh.
Second's still good.
Uh-oh.
What do you think's gonna happen?
Looks like Aiden's gonna get second to me at this point.
Yeah.
If the other guy already passed him. All right, who's coming across first now? Who is this? It's a Beamer. Beamer's fast.
It is.
Gixxer's about where it's supposed to be. Here comes Lauren.
Just like my bike. Your bike is loud and obnoxious.
First place is coming across the line again. It's the Beamer still. Last lap. It's the last lap. Next one's the checkered flag.
Anybody can do this. Anybody can. You don't have to be the fastest. You can come out and just have fun, because I think that's the point and that's what it's about.
All right, he's taking the checkered flag. It's the BMW. All right, looks like Aiden's getting second on this one, but he is finishing, which is the most important thing. Woo! He did it. ZX in third. The Gixxer takes fourth.
You were coming back.
Laura finishes fast. She did it. It's the last rider. They all completed New Racer School. You know it.
6 new race license in the bag.
6 new race
All
licenses.
skill levels.
All skill levels.
So
All
if
different
you're scared
bikes.
to do it, don't be afraid. Just come do it.
You didn't let Max.
Good job, brother.
Yes. Yes. Good work. Good work.
This is a motivated class right here.
Yeah, right. Motivated. We want more laps.
Some of us had to play twice.
Yeah. It's the new CRA racers.
All right, let's stand on our bikes.
Hopefully some of them are racing tomorrow. That would be cool. They officially have the swag bag. Did you guys get anything that I didn't get? I'll feel jealous.
We got a hat and a shirt
And some stickers.
and yeah.
Wait, what's that? I didn't get that.
Bryce Prince
Koozie? What is it?
upholstery.
Motorcycle upholstery, right hand.
What?
I think it
It's
goes
for your grips,
Yeah.
so you can put them over your grips.
put them over your gloves.
Wait, did you get another CRA shirt?
I did not.
Oh. I want to know if you
Yeah.
snuck 2 out of there.
I'll make sure the next one's your size.
To get your new racer's license, visit GoMotorRacing.com and see where you can get your new racer's orientation.